Figma Web Design. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to figma.com and sign up for an account by clicking the Get Started for Free button. Continue the sign-up process by choosing either email or Google. In this tutorial, we use Google. After signing in, you will land on the homepage. From there, click on the Templates and Tools option. Browse through the available templates and pick one that you like. For this example, select Figma Web Design. Click on the template you chose, then click the Open in Figma button. Wait for the file to load in the editor. Once it is open, you can begin customizing the design freely. Move elements around by clicking and dragging the layers to new positions. To edit any text, simply select the text box and use the typography panel to change font, size, alignment, or spacing. If you want to add new shapes, such as rectangles, use the Shape tool located in the lower part of the toolbar. To remove any object from the design, select a layer you want to delete and press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard.